Okay, just had to get a video of this. It is April 4th, 2023. There is the snow piled up along the wall of the barn, outside wall. It took me, I don't know, 20-30 minutes to chip away the ice in front of the door there. The ice was up to about 1.5 inches below this hinge right there. So, I'm gonna measure this. I think that the ice depth was about 10 inches from the bottom of the door there. I did get the door open just a few minutes ago here. And let's look at this. Okay. I think the water in here is, I don't know, 3-4 inches deep. So it's flooded. There's my floor jack frozen to the floor. Here's my 2009 Ranger. Let me move this tire. Wait. Okay, see there? See there? No, it looks like we got about 2 inches, 2.5, 3 inches of ice there. So we are flooded. We are flooded and freezing. It's my plastic toolbox. This, oh, I wish I could get this out. I think there's water in there. Darn it, I got tools in there. And that toolbox frozen to the floor. But this is a problem. I should have a flashlight in here with me. The whole floor. It's been a brutal winter, but I believe the whole darn floor in here, this section I rent is 13 by 45. There's some water, some melted water here. But thankfully I got shelves and not everything is on the floor. But this is a problem. Darn it. Something's got to be done to the outside of this building so it doesn't fill in with water like this and freeze. It's in the low 40s today. It was in the low 40s yesterday. So I'm walking on ice has water on top of it. I should walk out to the west side of the barn and get some video there. I don't want to lose those tools. I should see if I can get those tools out of there in that toolbox, because that toolbox is stuck in the ice right there. So I talked to the owner about this today. Okay. And yeah, see how deep that ice is? It's up above the step over section there. So let's go walk down to the other end of the barn. See that snow piled up. There isn't really good drainage here. Okay, look at that. Wonder if I opened up this end, if water would come out. But anyway, darn it. If only I had a heater. If I had a heater, I could set up in here and melt the ice in there, but I don't know. There she is. This section is 45 feet long. This wall is 45 feet long. See there. We did have quite a storm Friday night, Saturday morning, which was March 31st to April 1st. We got about 10-11 inches of heavy wet snow. So anyway, but I did get in. It took a bit of work to get in. Let's take the tape measure and measure this. That ice. So the ice just inside the door there is got to be at least 3 inches thick, if not 4. I know the cement slab it's higher than there, but oh, this is a problem. Anyway, well, I guess that's about all I can record for now. All right, thanks, bye.